Okay, I've got an update to my program. I've got counterclockwise and clockwise as circle commands. Um, and I'm going to test it out here using my new sharpened bit. Sending. We're going counterclockwise at 2 millimeters per second. I'm making my disc round. I drilled the hole in the center kind of by winging it by eye, so the outside wasn't perfectly round compared to where the center was. And now I'm doing that. I will eventually be taking this down to the diameter of the goal is to get it to be that big around.